Hey guys, this is Tim, and in this video I am going to talk about the differences between OLTP and OLAP or OLAP. In the previous video I talked about what is data warehouse and different properties of data warehouse and what do they mean. Now in this video I am going to talk about the differences between OLTP and OLAP. Now OLTP, the full form of OLTP is online transactional processing, and OLAP, the full form of OLAP is online analytical processing. Now I'm going to talk about the differences between them, and from these differences you can easily understand the meaning of this OLTP and OLAP, and also you can understand the difference between them. Now OLTP means, we already know that OLTP means online transaction processing. Now transactional means, you can easily think that transactional means we will do transactions, and this transaction is for business transactions. Now what does I mean by business transaction? So now here I'm on my Mozilla Firefox. Here you can see the website of Flipkart. I think you all are familiar with this website Flipkart. Now here I do want to buy a mobile phone. Let's say I'm not going to buy this mobile phone in this video, just I'm going for your understanding. Now here I search for my mobile phones, and when I search for my mobile phone, there you can see easily like this Redmi 8A, and here the features of the mobile, the price of the mobile, and the other details is there. Now if I do want to buy this product, I need to go through the website, I need to understand the difference, the area, etc, etc. So you can understand that I don't want to buy it, so I need to give my delivery address, order summary, and I at the end of these all things we need to do payment. And these all are actually the transaction, because we need to log in here, we need to choose our product, we need to buy it, everything. What you are doing, actually you are doing transactions here. Now we are actually, what you are doing, we are doing transactions here. And for the case of OLAP, we are actually in the OLAP, we are using the OLAP for the reason of decision making. For the by using the data, we can make very useful decisions. And now for the next one is no ETL process. So in the previous video already I had talked about ETL, extract, transform, and load, but here we don't need to any kind of ETL. So you already have seen that, right? I go to the website, I search for mobiles, I am going to buy it. There I am not doing any kind of extraction data, not doing any kind of transaction transformation, and not doing any kind of loading process, in nothing. So no ETL process there. Now for the case of OLAP, I had already talked about. If you are new, don't forget to watch that video. In the case of OLAP, we need to do ETL process, because we need to extract the data, transform the data, and load the data, because from that data we are going to analyze, and we will make very useful decisions. Now for the case of OLTP, we need to we are following the process CRUD, crude. Now what does it mean by that? Crude, like C for create. Now when I have gone to the website Flipkart, there what I have done, I am searching for the products. Now when I am searching for the products, I am making the data, I am creating data, because what I am searching, this is the data for, obviously this is a data for Flipkart. It's a data about me, and I am searching for mobiles, and I am searching for the particular mobile, Redmi, Realme. Now it's possible that I don't buy the product, I'm just seeing the products, possible. Now whatever I am doing, everything I am creating the data, right? I am creating the data in the website of Flipkart, then I am retrieving the data. And how I am retrieving the data? Actually I am retrieving the data because let's say again, here is the mobile. Now when I click on that one, so here I am retrieving the data. Like what kind of data? The price of the price of the mobile, the details of the mobile, the photos of the mobile, etc, and so on and so forth. That kind of we are doing. So what you are doing, you are actually retrieving the data, right? We are retrieving the data. Now now the next one is U, means we update the data, because let's say I want to click this add to cart. I want to add to cart, right? Now I can go for place for order, or I can delete it as well. Now this is the data. Then actually I do want to update. Let's say I do want to update the data. Like now here is you can see here is one. I want to do 2 mobile phones. So what I am doing, I am updating the data that I don't want to buy the 1 mobile. I don't want to buy 2 mobiles, 3 mobiles, 4 mobiles. So what I am doing, actually I am updating the data, right? And for the last case is here you recruit, and the last one is delete the data. Let's say I don't want to buy nothing. So I don't want to buy 3 mobiles, 2 mobiles, 1 mobile, nothing. I don't want to buy nothing. So what I am doing here, I am deleting my data. So the process followed by this CRUD method, right? Now for the case of OLAP, only we are doing the retrieving the data. From where we are retrieving the data? We actually are retrieving the data from our database, where all the data stored, and from that data just we can retrieve the data, right? We can retrieve the data, and from retrieving by the retrieving process we can analyze the data. Now who are the users of OLTP? Like end users, like you and me, because anyone can go to the website, search for the products, can buy it. So end users, anyone can use this OLTP process. But for the OLAP is also used by CEO. Company CEO or CXO are using that type of data. So from the data, like data scientists, data analysts also using the data. They are also possible. So they are analyzing the data, make many kind of decisions from the data. So this kind of work only done by CEO, CXOs, not done by us, like for end users or any kind of person. Now for the last one is, we can access the OLTP from the mobile browsers or mobile app, because you can go flipkart.com, or you can download the Flipkart app from your mobile, and you can search from any kind of products. But for the case of OLAP, because we are doing decision making, not we are doing any kind of transaction, there is actually we have to use it BI tools. For example, Tableau. There we can make any kind of visualization of the data, extraction of data, so on and so forth. Now the last thing is the data which we gain from the OLTP process, actually we can use it in our OLAP to do analysis for develop business. And actually Flipkart or any kind of e-commerce website, actually they are doing this, because when you're searching some products, they can understand your behavior, that yeah, this guy is searching for this mobile. Now it means this guy love this mobile. So if this guy for future time, let's say for future time, we can show him some ads of this many kind of mobiles of the same company. For that reason, they can develop their business, because if you love this company's mobile and if you have money, then obviously if they show you the ads of this mobile, different kind of features of this mobile, then the chances of the selling of the products is high, is true. And for that reason, they are using OLAP, because from the OLTP you are generating their data, and from the OLAP they are analyzing the data. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell, because when I'm uploading new videos, you get notified. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.